Now students, we're going to start with question number 7. Find the 3 rational numbers equivalent to 3 by 5. Okay. So, this is one rational number. Equivalent number we have to find out. So, what we'll do? 3 by 5 multiply by 2 in the numerator and multiply by 2 in the denominator. So, we'll write. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So this is another equivalent rational number. Similarly, 3 by 5 we will multiply by 3 and here also in denominator multiply by 3. Both numerator and denominator multiply by 3 will get the next equivalent number. The 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. Understood students? We found one equivalent number, second equivalent number. Now we're going to find the third one. Similarly, same, but here you have to multiply by 4 in the numerator and denominator also multiply by 4. Now 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So I got 3 rational numbers equivalent to 3 by 5. In short, I'll explain you. See, now take a table of 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So, even if I do cutting and all to the smallest or lowest value, the value will be 3 by 5. So, what you have to do? Firstly, you have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. Then multiply numerator and denominator by 3 and then again multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So like this way you will get all the 3 and as many as rational number. Okay. So I'll write hence 6 by 10, 9 by 15 and 12 by 20 are rational numbers equivalent to 3 by 5. Okay, so this is one question. I'll solve the next same way. See, 4 by minus 7. Firstly, numerator multiply by 2 and denominator also multiply by 2. Okay, and then I am leaving space so that you can find the answer by the time. So here also 4 by 7 minus 7 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, find the answer. And here 4 by minus 7 multiply by 4 and multiply by 4, find the answer. So hope you have done with it. So 4 2s are 8 and then 7 2s are 14, 4 3s are 12 and then 7 3s are 21. But we don't have to forget this minus sign, we'll put this minus. And then here 4 4s are 16 and 7 4s are 28. Again plus minus minus. So minus multiply by plus, of course the minus sign will come. And also you have to consider if odd numbers is there, then negative sign will always appear. Okay, so we have 3 numbers, hence 3 equivalent number are 8 upon minus 14, 12 upon minus 21 and then 16 upon minus 28. So 8 by minus 14, 12 by minus 21 and 16 by minus 28. So these are the answers. And then you have to write the statement, are rational numbers equivalent to 4 by minus 7. Okay, you have to write it, complete it while writing in the book. Now question number 8. Which of the following are not rational numbers? How will prove that? Rule number 1, that is numerator upon denominator. Okay, and when there is no denominator we put 1. Okay, then what is the next condition? That denominator should not be equal to 0. It should not be 0 or equal to 0. So here I can see In first question, minus 3. So here I can write minus 3 by 1. No denominator, so we can put 1. So is a rational number. Yeah, is a rational number. Write it full, students. I am writing in short, but you have to write rational number. And then in second question, 0. So 0 by 1. Yes, it is a rational number. It is clearly mentioned that denominator should not be equal to 0. So numerator can be, but denominator, if 0, then it is undefined. So you cannot write. But here numerator 0 will do. Yeah, is a rational number. So I am writing it because I find you people are still kid. Yes, you are. Next, 8 by 0. So yes, it is undefined, is not a rational number. Okay, students. Next one, 0 by 0. Both numerator as well as denominator both 0. So it is not a rational number. Is not a rational number. Okay. So one condition, that denominator should not be 0. Moving towards the next question. Question number 9. Express each of the following integer as rational number with denominator 7. How we will get this denominator 7? Numerator I can see over here, 5 I can take, but what about the denominator? There is no denominator. When there is no denominator, we consider number 1. Okay, and if I want 7 here, what should I multiply by 1 to get 7? Of course, it is very easy that I have to multiply 1 by 7. Okay, so 5 upon 1 multiply by 7. If I am multiplying this denominator by 7, then what should I multiply by in the numerator? So of course 7. If I am multiplying in 7 in the denominator, then I should also multiply with the same number in the numerator also. Okay, so denominator as well as numerator multiply by 7. So 5 sevens are 35 and 1 sevens are 7. Understood? If I am multiplying one number in denominator, same number should be multiplied in the numerator. Next one, minus 8, nothing, so I'll put 1. So what should I multiply by 1 to get 7? Yes, just now we have seen denominator as 7. So multiply by 7. If denominator multiply by 7, numerator also multiply by 7. Now 8 sevens are 56. Negative sign will put. Then 7 ones are 7. Understood? So answer is minus 56 upon 7. Or you say minus 56 by 7. Now the next question, 0. So 0 by 1. So 0 multiply by what? Yes, if denominator multiply by 7, numerator also multiply by 7. And if something's multiply by 7, of course you have to check the number 0. So 7 multiply by 0, 0. 7 multiply by 1, 1. So this is the rational number. Yes. And wherein denominator is 7. Okay. Now students, these are the question that you have to solve it by yourself. This is nothing new. The question that we have already solved. So similar type of question I have given. Find 3 rational numbers equivalent to minus 5 by 9. Second is 8 by minus 15. Now the next, question number 2, express each of the following integers as a rational number with denominator 8. So here numerator is given and you have to put denominator as 1 and then multiply both by 8. Here also minus 15 is given. So minus 15 by 1, then both the number multiply by 8. And the very common question that you can simply solve seeing the solved question what I have given just now. Okay. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye.